legislative overreach. That is the primary purpose. We are not here to test because the constitutional process being observed in the House of Representatives. It is our position that there is a clear violation of the Constitution. And that is why, again, we ran to the Supreme Court precisely for the court to intervene and allocate constitutional boundaries in this burning issue that we are all dealing with today. For the second,
The second question is, what if they argue that your initiative is political, given that the PDP brand is strongly reflected in your composition?
well, it's up to them. As sila rin naman lagi nagsasabi na yung impeachment process is more political than legal, which is also wrong. Because in the decision of then by Senior Associate Justice Mavic Leonen, while acknowledging that impeachment is sui generis, sinabi rin doon malinaw that it is not exclusively political but rather a play of both legal and political. And we come here, I personally, I speak for myself, again, to try to strike down the unconstitutional process being observed in the House of Representatives. And secondly, to put a stop, to put a break, preno muna dito sa wanton waste of public funds. The people are already hard up. Our public coffers are already bleeding, nauuwi sa corruption, and they are busy with wanton waste of public funds and public resources. That is my reason for joining as one of the petitioners.
If I may add, no, para maintindihan po ng ating mga kababayan, final ko namin ito kasi kung tingnan mo kahapon yung ginagawa ng mga congresspersons natin, nakakaloka na talaga, nakakaloka na. Bakit nakakaloka? Well, it has become a fishing expedition. The House Committee on Justice is supposed to limit itself in accordance with what is stated and contained in the impeachment complaint. It is not supposed to become the investigator and the evidence gatherer for the impeachment complaint. If it lacks sufficiency in form, it lacks sufficiency in substance, it only has one direction, and that is to dismiss the case. But what they are doing in this case is actually conducting a fishing expedition, which to our mind should be struck down by the Supreme Court because it has become an affront to the dictates or to the contours of the powers granted by the 1987 Constitution to the House of Representatives.